Today we are making chili oil at home. This recipe takes about 10 minutes and uses simple ingredients you already have. Once you make it, you will start putting it on everything. Let's get started. First, gather your ingredients. You need 1 cup of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 red chilies, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 serrano peppers. Start by slicing your fresh pepper into thin rounds. Set them aside. These will add texture and a deeper heat to the oil. Next, you want to pour your vegetable oil into a saucepan. Heat it on medium-low for about 5 to 7 minutes. You are looking for hot oil, not smoking oil. If it starts to smoke, turn the heat down. How do you know the oil is ready? Dip a wooden spoon or chopstick into the oil. If you see small bubbles form around it, the oil is hot enough. Now comes the best part. You will carefully pour the hot oil over the pepper flakes and cayenne pepper. You should hear a steady sizzle. That sound means the spices are releasing their flavor into the oil. Give it a quick stir. Now add your sliced red chili and serrano pepper, black pepper. Mix everything together and let it sit. At this point, your kitchen should smell spicy and warm. Let the oil cool completely before putting it in the jar. Once it's cool, cover it and place it in the fridge. For the best flavor, let it sit for at least 24 hours before using. The longer it sits, the deeper the flavor gets. Now let's talk about how to use it. Drizzle it over noodles, rice, eggs, grilled meat. Add a spoon to your sauces or soups. Even a small amount changes the whole dish. If you like more heat, add extra cayenne next time. If you want it milder, reduce the amount. Store your chili oil in the fridge and use it within 2 weeks. This is one of those recipes you make it once, then keep coming back to it. If you try it, let me know what you put it on first. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. See you next time.